Here's how you can recover the deleted messages and iMessages on your iPhone. Make sure it's updated, and you can recover up to 30 days of your deleted text. For that, I'm deleting all, so you can see that. So what you have to do is go into iMessages and click on filter button. Once you click on filter button, you can see an option called recently deleted. In here you can select multiple texts, and you can select multiple chats and click on recover all if you want to recover all of them, or if you want to delete all of them, you can delete that. So if I click on recover all will be recovered. If I want to select selected chats to be recovered, and I can click on recover, and those messages can be recovered. So this is an easy and quick method on how you can recover your deleted messages on iPhone, and if you have updated your app and other things. So if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling, and bye bye for the next video.